Hello everyone, I am Arush Raj Amatya from grade 8 Indrawati, here to prove congruent triangles with the help of paper folding method. So let's get started. So first we will fold the paper in half. Then with the help of a pen we will mark a point C. After that, with a divider we will poke two holes which will be marked on the both sides of the paper. Now we will name the two holes A and B. Now we'll join the points. We'll do the same on the right side. First we'll name the 2 points A dash and B dash. Then we'll connect the points. As you can see, triangle ABC and A dash, B dash and C are congruent to each other. To verify, I'll keep a triangle over here. Now I'll keep the same triangle on the other side. As you can see, we found that triangle ABC is congruent to triangle A dash, B dash, C. I hope you learned something new. To have such videos like this, subscribe to our channel. Thank you.